हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। सो मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। टुडे आई एम अगेन gonna react on another MV from Long Shot. So the song name is Backseat and let's see what gonna happen. They are literally coming with a lot of content. I am liking the way this group is going. I'm always a fan. Loved all four members and like vibing with their songs, and every song brings something new. I love that about them. Okay, I think there's gonna be a hip hop vibe. Okay, why whenever Lewis starts, I just get goosebumps. He literally always astonish me. He literally baffled me. He literally shocked me to the core whenever he sings. And I love when a song starts with him. Yeah. See, I told you, like, this song is very different from their FaceTime sourcing and other songs. Like, they literally comes with a lot of different kind of, genres. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woojin. His tone is so, popping. I love the way he sings. He have his own, command and versatility in his tone. Yeah, yeah. When they make these four showers, it's like their sign. I love it. Oh, my rapper baby. He literally, what I love about his rapping, like, his rapping suits, every song, no matter what kind of song it is, he raps and it's blend into the song. Like, sometimes it happens a lot to the, like a lot of the groups, like sometimes the rappers are hard to blend into different tones, but he literally blends in every song. Okay, our leader. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. I love their handshake. It is good. Like this is. Oh, my mic fall off, babies. Yay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I have no words about, this guy rapping. Like he literally, like, in groups, my most favorites are rappers. And he raps like he eats good. Like he literally eats good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My babies are so great with their vocals and rapping. And this video vibe is so good. Like this dark vibe, I love it. Teacher. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sure. Oh, oh, oh. I love whenever they, have signs. Like I love it. Like this song is so good. And what I love about it, I always say is like, in their each and every MV, the focus is on them rather than, the surrounding. They are the main characters of their official MVs. So I think this was the whole song, Long Shot, Backseat, and I loved it. You all know, like I love each and every song from Long Shot, so I don't have to say anything more than saying like I literally love and vibe with it. It's gonna be into my Spotify with my Long Shot playlist, and I hope you love my reaction. And please subscribe to the channel so I can know you liking the content, like the video, and comment down below if you want me to react on anything. Bye bye, baby. I love you all.